The genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide in every way that really matters is at $106,783,871 in an extremely enormous way. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which truly is genuinely huge. Avax United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at $13.68 incredibly. Torrential slides EMA10 essentially shows an especially descending pattern, which in a real sense is very huge. 31 July 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and certainly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part, gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is by and large momentary cost expectation for torrential slide? Really is Avax an essentially wise venture, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, which fundamentally is very critical. Market investigation over the for the most part last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560, showing that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which in a real sense is very huge. The kind of all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $30,011,818,165 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%. Which generally is genuinely critical, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value reduction of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, further appearance how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an extremely enormous way. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a very descending course for especially present moment, which by and large is genuinely critical. As of now, an especially broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is very huge. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing that torrential slide support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers most certainly become in every way that really matters, more sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they fundamentally thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is genuinely huge. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The fundamentally current torrential slide cost generally is $12.93, with an exchanging volume of $106,783,871 in the truly beyond 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge. At present, Avax truly is somewhere near 3.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,475,238,367 United States dollars, pretty further appearance. How XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 2.36. And right now exchanging at 70 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 31 July 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time period explicitly made sense of underneath, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly basic moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving normal, EMA, to generally investigate the future development of the avalanche. While Avax's Williams % R pointer by and large is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal sort of is really conceivable at this reach. Or so they for the most part thought. The Avax United States dollar moving essentially normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, sort of is showing a genuinely momentary sort of sell pretty sign, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath genuinely signal line which in every practical sense implies really bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that as of now, Avax for the most part is somewhere near 3.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,475,238,367 United States dollars, kind of additional appearance. How XRP the for the most part local coin of XRP fundamentally is somewhere around 2.36 and at present exchanging at 70 cents in an extremely significant manner. The coin by and large is going down as it truly break under two urgent help levels of $14.76 and $13.68. Showing how we utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving really normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal SMA and dramatic moving in every way that really matters, normal EMA too in a real sense. Examine the future development of the avalanche. While Avax's Williams % R marker for the most part is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange fundamentally signal explicitly is all things considered conceivable at this reach in an unpretentious way. The market certainly isn't reasonable for bulls and truly bears could truly take Avax towards the fundamentally next help at $12.86 in an exceptionally large manner. The kind of relative strength file RSI shows that the Avax coin explicitly is an oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 29, exhibiting how following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide Avax.